Well, guys, this is last week's hatchlings. Let's see if I can, I'm gonna zone in a little bit. Everybody's starting to get feathers. There's 35 babies in here. A lot of, looks like Houdans. And that there is a little blue or black Cochin, standard Cochin. But this is everybody, let's see, they've hatched. Thursday was a week, so all these babies are now a week and Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, a week and 11 days old. These are all 11-day-old babies. But you can see they're all pretty, they're growing really good. Something I've noticed when we have dramatic weather changes, which in Arkansas right now, we're having some seriously dramatic weather changes. It makes it hard to keep the temperature consistent on the babies, and I end up with a whole lot of pasty butt, which is one of the causes of pasty butt is it's too hot for the babies. So you have to do this dance of not too hot, not too cold. And hot is always more dangerous than cold. Always. Look at them. They're really curious. All right, we'll go down to the next one. Look at these guys. They're a little more spread out. They're not so shy. Chick, 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 chick. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. There's 35 in each brooder, which I've lost a few out of this hatch from pasty butt. And I had a few that were kind of weak when I hatched them. So I have 75 plus 34. It's 109. And I think I started out with 120 or 121. Isn't that one adorable? I have no idea what that is other than I think it's an Orpington. But he is so cute. That one's standing right in front. Chick, 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 chick. So, and these guys have all graduated. These brooders are up high, but they have the waterers on the outside so that they have a little bit more room to act. Okay, and here is the last one. There's 34 babies in here. Sorry about all the shaking and baking going on. I'm going to try to pick up a tripod or find mine so that I can do better recording. Look at him. He's so cute. That's a little Cochin, and you can tell by the furry feet. But I've got quite a few, again, Turkens. My Turkens are putting out really good, beautiful babies. Pretty happy with that. Again, these are 11-day-old babies. I won't have new babies this week because I did not, somehow I got messed up with my hatches, so it'll be at least another week before I have another hatch. I'll still do videos. And by the way, if y'all live anywhere near Northwest Arkansas, all of these babies, well, most of the babies are up for sale. Some of them I'm keeping. But they're all for sale. And that is last week's hatchlings.